Corporate hedging. Hey, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to the channel. This is Power Stroke Maintenance. Today I'm going to be showing you the difference between the OEM Ford drag link and tie rod ends, between the OEM and the aftermarket. I just picked up the Apex chassis steering linkage kit, and it has the drag link, tie rod ends, and the difference is pretty crazy. So we're going to jump right in. I'll show you guys the difference between the size of the tubes and the joints, and then we'll get it installed. Oliver's here helping me, and we're trying to thrash through this. I'm also doing transfer case and transmission fluid, and as always, it's a good time. So what you'll see here in the front is the drag link, and we have them lined up like this because we're measuring to ensure that the alignment stays pretty much the same. I have another big trip coming up, so I'll probably get alignment before we go on that. But you can see just the difference in size, diameter of this tube compared to the Apex chassis is pretty insane. It's like the Apex chassis drag link is like double the width, and instead of using the adjuster sleeves with these tiny little threads, they have these huge lock nuts and these weird proprietary lock washers that go on and thread on, and when you turn this whole middle tube, it actually adjusts and spins both ends, so you're adjusting the entire length of the drag link instead of just doing it from the one end. I was kind of surprised that the actual ball joints on the end look fairly similar in size. These are greasable though, and these are not, obviously. You can see my current drag link is pretty spanked. Down here it's pretty much the same story, still a little beefier and bigger, stainless with castle nuts similar to OEM, but I think just the size of these two, and honestly just like the weight difference, like the Apex chassis drag link feels twice as heavy as Ford OEM, and it just really looks super solid, so very excited to get it on the truck. One shitty part is that because I have the Fox steering stabilizer, the clamp for the Fox steering stabilizer does not fit the diameter of this tube. All the scratchies. Okay, so this is the tie rod and the tie rod ends. As you can see, like joint sizing for these is similar, but you do get a grease fitting. The actual rod itself is a lot stiffer. Again, you have the jam nuts with these proprietary Apex chassis lock washers, and then the tube is again almost double the size of the factory tube. Yeah, it really makes you wonder. I mean, I'm excited to just drive and see how good these feel, because the quality, it just looks insane. Again, the joints are very similar in size, but just you can tell the quality difference between the OEM, like not having grease fittings, the stainless aftermarket, and then just the size and finish of everything is really impressive. So anywho, I hope you found this interesting, and if you do have any issues with your truck, or if it's out of warranty and Ford's not going to replace your steering, would certainly recommend this Apex chassis kit, because it is rated for pretty heavy duty off-roading, and a lot of the guys at Carly Suspension take this kit and put it on their trucks with like 40-inch tires, so it definitely holds up. So that's been a comparison. Again, we have a few more service items to finish up here. I need to refill my trans pan after I did my service, and we need to get these steering components back on, and then hopefully the truck will drive. I just have to then go out and get and install another steering stabilizer. Love endless projects. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. We'll see you next time. Cheers.